Hey everyone, I'm Jason. In today's video, we're going to factory reset the Dyson hot and cold fan. Okay, this is pretty simple. What we're going to do is we're going to hold the power button here for about 20 seconds or until the Wi-Fi light flashes from yellow to green. Once you see that, that means it's been reset. Okay, so right now we're going to press it and start doing the countdown. So the light's off. I'm gonna wait for it to come back on. There it goes. So now it's blinking. Now we could release it. And there you guys have it. That's all to it. So if you guys have any other questions, please give me a comment below. If you like this video, hit those thumbs up. If you want to see more like it, make sure you hit that subscribe button. And like always, thanks for watching and have a great day.